Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this stylish 108 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and a reversing camera. Inside the car you've got a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include air conditioning, there's a speed limiter, automatic headlights, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So this car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done less than 14,000 miles, and if you think it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.